Alright, got a PC case design here. It takes its structure from my previous battery pack design, which is like two trays back to back, glued together, and this slides into an external sleeve with a lid that forms the front panel. So it's like a 3-piece computer case. You build your system on the tray with easy access and only slide it in at the end. A concept I haven't seen in any other 3D printed computer cases, and I'll show you what it's like to build in.